Welcome to the deep dive. Today we are getting into a brand that a lot of you have asked about, custom car floor mats from a company called WhipMats.
Hmm.
We've gone through the sources you sent, and our mission today is pretty simple. We want to get past all the marketing, and there's a lot of it,
Mm.
to see what the company's credibility and the actual customer experience is like.
And the marketing is really good. It's a classic setup. WhipMats looks like a luxury upgrade.
Totally. The pictures are amazing.
Exactly. You see these glossy photos. They talk about laser cut precision, premium stitching, and it really suggests you're getting this high-end protection for your car's interior.
And it's at a price that makes you think, huh, maybe I should replace my standard mats. It's a very effective hook.
It is. But that's where the story starts to get a bit more complicated.
Okay, so let's get into that, because the second we started looking into the company itself, some warning signs started popping up. We checked Stam Advisor first.
And the trust rating is low. But what's really interesting is why it's so low. It's not actually about a flood of bad reviews, not at first.
Right, it's about the company's structure.
Exactly. The domain name is very new, for
Yeah.
one. And the actual company's identity, it's hidden. Plus, the website is constantly running these huge, aggressive sales.
So it behaves like one of those pop-up stores.
It signals that, yes,
Mm.
it's a business model built for, rapid sales with very little corporate accountability. It definitely puts more risk on you, the buyer.
Okay, so the structure is shaky. But here's the twist we found in the customer reviews, and this is where it gets confusing. It's not a complete ghosting operation.
No, it's not. And that's critical. This isn't a scam where you pay and get nothing. We saw plenty of TrustBot reviews from people who said the mats did arrive.
And some of them are happy, right? They say they look good, they fit well.
They do. Some customers are genuinely satisfied. The product does exist. They aren't just taking the money and running.
But there's always a but. Right next to those good reviews, the experience just seems to fall off a cliff for a lot of other people.
It really does. This is where the inconsistency comes in. The biggest complaints are about the mats arriving very late. Poor fitment.
Even though they're advertised as custom fit.
Right. And the materials feel thin, the stitching doesn't match the quality in the photos. It all points back to this geographical issue.
The fact that they say they're a UK brand.
They advertise as being based in the UK, but the long shipping times, the communication, it all strongly suggests the products are coming from overseas, probably directly from a factory.
And if you're one of the customers who gets a bad set, the thin, ill-fitting ones, trying to get your money back is where the real nightmare begins.
Absolutely. Their return policy is a fortress.
Yeah.
And it's all built around one key phrase in their terms.
Custom made.
Exactly. By labeling the mats custom made, they can sidestep a lot of standard consumer protection rules. For a start, you can't cancel the order once it's placed.
And let's say the mats arrive and they're just wrong. They don't fit. You can't just send them back for a refund.
No, that's
Yeah.
not the first step. The first thing they require you to do is accept a replacement set.
Wow, so you're locked into another long wait, another shipping cycle.
It just drags everything out.
Right.
And only after that will they even consider a refund. And even then, some people report there are deductions from the refund amount. The whole system is designed to make you just give up.
So putting this all together, what's the final takeaway for someone who sees those ads and is tempted?
It's clear that WhipMats is on the higher risk side of things. Not because everyone has a bad experience, but because the outcome is so wildly unpredictable.
You might get a great product.
You might. Or you could get a poor quality one after a long delay and then face a return process that is, frankly, a gauntlet.
So our final thought here is pretty straightforward. If you are going to take the chance on this brand, you absolutely have to protect yourself from the very beginning.
That's the only way.
Use a secure payment method, a credit card or PayPal, something that gives you strong buyer protection. Because with the company's hidden identity and the overseas shipping, that ability to dispute the charge is really your only insurance policy.